people who woke up this morning with a dream and are going to bed with a nightmare.
I'd like to know what that says about us.
Well, like
What does that even mean?
Black people just. I think he was writing lyrics that morning.
What does that even mean?
It sounds like a Meek Mill album, Dreams and Nightmares. I don't know if you know it. Absolute fire.
We had
Woke up with a dream, bro. People just
we're back to
waffling.
sleep with a nightmare.
I'm trying to think what he's trying to say. So they woke up thinking Kamala's gonna win
And then we're back to bed because Trump won it.
because Trump won it, so it's a nightmare.
It's not that deep.
It's not, man. It's not. Okay, cool.
Wild.
As a country.
I am, I'm mystified in some ways. Who are we as a country?
Oh, please, just bro. Wallahi, bro. He said so much and no content. Like,
Who are
he
we
said,
as a
I am mystified, and who are we as a country? Oh yeah. Also, what are these numbers on the side? 43 Democrats.
So
52
this is the
Republicans.
Senate. Like it's like basically